Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Pound yen's downside is confirmed, but will the pound yen have a final trap, right? We're looking for more downside. However, right, we always need to watch our stop loss. It looks bearish, ready to go down further from here, but could it come out, fake out one more time and then come down? Right, this level is not hard to manipulate, so be careful. Do not set your stop loss too tight. Maybe give it a bit of space, 10-20 pips. Downside is quite massive, so you have space for that. So for the bear case, if you're not already in the short, you can short from here, put the stop loss up here, give it a bit of space, 20 pips, but reduce the size because the risk reward profile isn't as attractive anymore. So if it breaks ready to break down further from here, we're looking at 150 as the take profit. The bull case is that, as I mentioned, a fake out can happen to liquidate leverage shorts to the upside. So the price could move up to maybe even 155 before this bear case is fulfilled.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.